This is the stock holding. এটা ধরুন stock holding হিসেবে রয়েছে at the beginning of the month. So it is the opening stock of the stockist. It will be considered as the opening stock of the stockist. Now the stockist will purchase during that time frame from 1st February to 29th February, whatever it may be. The stockist will purchase a product from where? From the CFA. CFA থেকে কিনছে। এটাকে আমরা কি বলছি? It is termed as primary sale. ধরে নাও রিসিভ 100 যেটা ছিল সেটা তুমি খুব ভালো কাজ করেছো 150, যেটা 150 ছিল 200, 125 that remains same, D50 70 purchase করেছো, যেটা 200 ছিল purchase 250. So it is considered as your primary sale. Okay, now the third column, the opening plus total, that will be considered the total stock holding of the stockist. 250, 350, 250, then 120, 450. It is just like that. This is the total stock holding of the stockist. এবার stockist তো ঘরে ওটা নিয়ে বসে নেই, কি করছে? As per the demand created by the medical representative in the given territory, the stockist will sell the product to whom? কাকে বিক্রি করছে? To the retailer. এই রিটেলারদের যেটা সেল করছে 1 থেকে 29 আমরা কি বলছি? It is termed as secondary or tertiary. ধরে নাও সে 250 যেটা ছিল তুমি খুব ভালো কাজ করেছো 150 টা বিক্রি হয়ে গেছে। 200, it is 150, it is 70, and it is 300. This is your sale or secondary one.